Class 7 Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, BRS Nagar. Geography, Lesson 1, Environment. An effort by Hanur Kaur, Class 7D. For tuitions, please call 9815444985. What is environment? The term environment is derived from a French word environnement, meaning neighborhood. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. How do human beings modify this natural environment? Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. The place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment is a combination of 1. Natural environment. 2. Human-made environment. 1. Natural environment. The natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Biotic, it includes the world of living organisms. For example, plants and animals. Abiotic, it includes the world of non-living elements. For example, land. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere are major domains of the environment. Lithosphere is the solid crust, or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals, and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms, such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents, and also on the ocean floors. Lithosphere is the domain that provides us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Hydrosphere. The domain of water is known as hydrosphere. It contains various sources of water and different types of water bodies, like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. The gravitational force of the Earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere, or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. What is an ecosystem? Ecosystem, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other, and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms, as well as the relation between The organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. On the 5th of June every year the World Environment Day is celebrated. 2. Human environment. Human environment reveals the activities, creations, and interactions among human beings. Humans interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. Barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large-scale production. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Humans must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Barter system. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged, without the use of money.